go on vacation. I can't remember anything. Well, hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. I'm over 50 years old and I love makeup and skincare products. And today we are going to be diving into Ofra's brand new collaboration with Jen Loves Reviews, the Metamorphosis Lip Kit. Now, what exactly is it? It's actually a trio of neutral liquid lipsticks that can lighten, deepen, and even change the undertone of your lipstick. So, in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. Okay, have you ever bought the wrong colored lipstick? Especially with what's going on today, you can go into any Ulta, any Sephora, any drugstore, and you can no longer swatch. So how the heck can you tell if this color is going to be right for you on your skin tone? Is it going to be too dark, too light, too orange, or whatever? It's going to be super hard these days if you can't swatch, especially if you shop online. I bought a bunch of liquid lipsticks from Ofra because they were having a 40% off sale, and some of them just do not look right on my skin. So when Jen Loves Reviews came out with her collaboration with Ofra, I could not wait to get my hands on her kit. Now, who is Jen Loves Reviews? Oh my gosh, she is a beauty guru here on YouTube, and I love her channel because she dives into price points, she breaks down ingredients, and she has such a wonderful sense of humor, and I just adore her. She did a radio podcast and I actually called in and spoke to her. She was so sweet and so kind to me, and I just couldn't believe I actually spoke to her on the phone. And thank you so much, Jen, for giving me a shout out on your channel. She is so supportive of big and small creators here on YouTube because that's what we love to do. We love to get on this platform and try to help you make informed decisions on how to spend your money and if a product really works. So when she collaborated with Ofra, I couldn't wait to test it out because I know she has a very high standard. But let's dive into the kit. Now, it retails for $50 on the Ofra website, but if I'm not mistaken, she does have a code right now. And don't worry, I will put her channel linked down below so you can check her out. The first one is Revive. This is a pale neutral with peach and pink undertones. And then the second one is Refine. It is a neutral mocha nude with mauve undertones. And then of course you have Reimagine, which is a deep neutral mocha brown. So we're just gonna dive right into swatches. Ofra is very well known for their liquid lipsticks and their beautiful consistency, but this is Revive. As you can see, it's very pale, very peachy. Here we are with Refine. Gorgeous. Reimagine. Beautiful. This is a stunning shade. It will look amazing on deep skin tones. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take a really super dark lipstick and I'm gonna go in with the Cokie Matte lipstick and see if we can lighten it up. Let's go in with Vamp. Very vampy. This is actually a gorgeous shade of drugstore lipstick by Cokie. A little too dark for my taste, but the way you use this is you can actually put it on the back of your hand or dot it into your lips, but I would probably recommend putting it on the back of your hand so you don't get the lipstick on your doe foot. But let's go ahead and take Revive and see if we can revive this and make it a little bit lighter. And then you can just use your fingertips to tap it in. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful ombre look. I am absolutely loving this. And it makes your lips feel so hydrated. This is supposed to be long lasting, hydrating. Of course, it's cruelty free as well as vegan, but you see how it just lightened it up? Wow. Let's see how far we can take it. Ooh, that's beautiful. It actually changes the consistency of the matte lipstick and made it more juicy. It's unbelievable. I am so digging this formula. Oh my goodness. Look at that color. Fantastic. Okay, let's test out another color. Now I want to go in with Ofra's lip gloss in Bare. I have not even swatched this. This is a beautiful neutral color. Don't even know what it looks like on my lips. Don't even know if it's gonna look good on my skin tone, but that's okay. We can deepen it up, brighten it up. Now this is Bare. Let's see if we can take, I really want to try the deepest shade here, Reimagine, and see exactly how deep we can get this. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit and see if we can deepen up Bare. Oh wow, this is, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Now it's a little bit different when you use it with a lip gloss. You really have to take your finger and dab it in there. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Oh my gosh. This is probably the best idea since sliced bread. Wow, this is a stunning combination, but we're not done. Oh heck no. Now I'm just gonna go in with Maybelline's Universal Lipstick. It claims to be universal and flattering on all skin tones, but this is Spice for me. And I remember loving this creamy formula. It's almost like a deep orange. Spice for me. So, okay, what do we want to do here? Do we want to deepen it up? I'm going to go in with Refine, which is a neutral mocha nude with mauve undertones, and see exactly what we come up with. It really did mute it out, made it less spicy, if you will, and just gave it like a nice undertone. I think it's very pretty. This is actually much better than the original Spice for me. And you can play around and add as much as you need or as little as you need to achieve that specific tone that you're going for. I mean, you're in control. You are absolutely controlling how much you are putting on your lips to deepen it up or to lighten it up. But beautiful. Let's continue on. Now the next liquid lipstick I'm gonna go in with is Ofra's Baroque. Now I saw this on their website and I thought, what a stunning color. And then it arrives and I'm like, oh my Lanta, this looks way too orange. I love the doe fits that they're small and angled where you can just precisely put the lipstick exactly where you need it. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh my God. Oh, this color does not look good on me. But let's deepen it up with Reimagine and see where it takes this color. Now you gotta work quickly. Now this is a shade I can get on board with. The Baroque just looked way too orange on me. Now that I put Reimagine on it, I can completely change up the tone. Beautiful. This would be a stunning fall color. And I'm absolutely loving the consistency of this. Gorgeous. The Reimagine really packs a punch and really will alter the color of your lipstick, bullet lipstick, lip gloss, whatever you need. But this is Baroque and Reimagine. What do I think about the Metamorphosis lip kit? This is a fantastic idea. Like I said earlier, especially with today, you cannot go in to any makeup store anymore and swatch and see what it looks like on your skin tone. This is so innovative, such an amazing formula. It's hydrating, it's long lasting. You can either lighten up your lipstick, you can add depth, or even change the undertone. You saw how beautiful this transformed into a weird orange into this beautiful mocha color. Absolutely love it. Now you can buy these individually for $20 each, or you can get the entire kit for $50. Now I know Jen does have a code, but I will put all the information in the description box below. But what do you think, guys? Don't think that you can just stop there. You can actually apply a clear lip gloss on top of these formulas with no problem. And I'm just gonna go in with NARS and see if I can get a little glossiness. Stunning. You would have so much fun with this lip kit, but you can pull out all those lipsticks that are hiding in your vanity. You know what I'm talking about. And you can come up with your own unique shade suited for your skin tone. but I am absolutely loving this Metamorphosis lip kit. And congratulations to Jen Loves Reviews. She is such an amazing person. I still can't believe I talked to her on the radio show. She's just so humble, and you guys have to check out her channel. So what do you think? Are you thinking about picking up this kit? I cannot tell you how it has come to my rescue. I bought all those lip glosses from Ofra and liquid lipsticks that were just not suited for my skin tone. So just playing with these, the Revive and Reimagine and Refine, you can literally come up with your own special unique shade for you. I highly recommend these because you know you have those old lipsticks sitting around somewhere and you just don't wear them because they're not suited to you. But once you play around with these formulas, you will see how hydrating they are, how long wearing they are, and just change the undertone, lighten, brighten, deepen. It's all in your hands. So I hope you enjoyed this review of Ofra's Metamorphosis Lip Kit, collaboration with Jen Loves Reviews. And in case you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.